As you know, we are expecting a large influx of customers as we are having an international conference. So our goal is to give an exceptional service. So, front office manager, what is our staffing plan?
We identify the additional front desk staff, bellhops, and room attendants. We're proposing a mixed internal promotion and external hiring to meet the demand.
And providing a comprehensive training program covering customer services, and policies and procedures, and also provide on-the-job training and coaching.
Great. So how about our motivation strategies? How can we make sure that our staff are engaged and motivated?
We can offer incentives such as employer recognition awards, bonuses, and extra time off for outstanding performance. We can also provide opportunities for the professional growth and development such as training and certification programs.
Great. Let's move forward with our plan. So how about you, customer service department? What are your thoughts on how can we improve our customer service?
I think it's essential to empower our staff to make decisions and take ownership of resolving this issue. We should also encourage and suggestion from guests and staff.
That's a great point, CSR. So let us incorporate those in our plans. So I am proud of everyone's hard work. Let's keep making exceptional service and make our guests feel valued and welcome.
We thank you, and I know we exceed the guest expectation.
Thank you for your feedback. We appreciate your suggestion and will incorporate them into our service improvement plan.
I'm impressed with the service. Keep up and good work.